Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make paper macarons, only way. Fold and score 2 cardstock rounds, glue edges, add a scallop trim, and sandwich with a crinkled ganache strip to mimic filling. Keep layers thin and press gently to create a smooth seam. Color edges with pastel inks, texture with tiny dots, and add a dusting of shimmer for realism. Work patiently, and let glue set between steps for durable, pretty paper macarons. We'll gather simple supplies, and I'll walk you through each step so you can craft charming paper macarons with confidence. You need cardstock, scissors, scallop punch or template, white glue, pastel inks, a thin brush, and crinkled tissue for filling. Cut consistent rounds, test colors on scrap, and practice scallops before assembling. Take your time aligning shells, use minimal glue to avoid warping, and let pieces dry flat before stacking the finished macarons. Now I'll guide you through precise assembly so your paper macarons look balanced and realistic. Start by adhering a thin rim of glue around one shell's edge, press the shell to another for 3 to 5 seconds, then set aside to dry flat. Prepare the filling by crinkling tissue into a thin strip and tinting lightly with ink. Sandwich the filling between shells, align edges carefully, and finish with a tiny dusting of shimmer for polish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.